We're here at the Fiesta Americana Condesa Cancun. Beautiful on this Sunday morning. Standing here just above the beach, enjoying a nice little breeze, the beautiful water. I mean, see that water? How blue it is. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. They say there may be a tropical storm coming in tonight. Of course, we're hoping not, but if it is, we'll deal with it. We're still going to have fun. I mean, that's just the way it is, right? So yeah, we got Miss Alma and Chris Barnett, See the World with Chris, Dewey Ski from Dewey's Destinations, and Scott and Laura Nolden hanging out in the pool. Let's see if we can find them. Ah, yeah, there's Dewey. I see him over there. There's Chris, he's up at the bar. He ain't serving nothing yet, but he's here. There's Dewey.
Hey everybody. Come on in, the water's fine.
There's Miss Alma. Just lounging about. Good times in Cancun, right?
Life is good today.
Life is good today. It's always a good day with you, baby.
That's right.
Ain't no doubt about it.
Ok, damas y caballeros, ladies and gentlemen, esta es la primera llamada para comenzar con nuestros ejercicios acuáticos. This is the first course of the water aerobics. Lovely, so get ready, primera llamada, first course, water aerobics.
Water aerobics? I don't think so. I'm here to enjoy myself, not kill myself. That's what I'm talking about right there. That's one hell of a woo. Woo! Oh Lord. Having a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful time here in Mexico. You know, we're at the Fiesta Americana Condesa Cancun all-inclusive resort. And we're having a wonderful, wonderful time. I mean, now don't get me wrong, there has been some hiccups and some things we didn't really like, but we're still having a great time. And I got the beautiful, beautiful, whoa.